At Instabox, we strive to provide exceptional service, and hearing from our clients is the best part. Here is a wonderful feedback from one of our valued customers, Verna.
Hi, Brianne. My name is Verna, and I'm just giving you a return call. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. It was a pleasure to have the chance to deal with you. And we had received our packing tape, which was ordered previously through Jennifer, and then the billing was done through I can't quite Rosie, and somehow Heather also was the one I had communicated with. But I just want to tell you what a lovely process it was for us to reorder the tape. And right after I reordered it, I found a box of that same tape that came to us from our U.S. office that we had shipped there some time ago, but I just thought it was funny. Now we have a large quantity of it for a little while yet. Just wanted to say thank you so much for being so kind when I was initially looking for wherever the heck our tape was ordered from. And just want to wish you well ahead for the fall season. And thank you so much for all your help. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Thank you, Verna. Do you have a box question? We are here to help. We can make you 1 to 10,000 custom printed boxes. Almost 50 years strong, same ownership, 2 factories. You dream it, we make it.